Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply false lashes. It is very easy. If you've been following me a while, you probably saw one of my videos where I was showing you how to apply lashes and I had some issues. But since then, there's been some new discoveries, some new inventions, some updated tools, if you will, that makes it so easy. So if you want to wear false lashes every day, honey, you do you. Or if you want to just do it for special occasions, I'm going to show you how easy it is. And this is not magnetic lashes, okay? I'm personally not a fan of the magnetic lashes, and I'm going to tell you why. If you are, that's great. I don't like them because they don't fit on my eyes. They're always too big, and you can't cut them because if you cut it, then the way that they put the magnets on, it's just not going to lay right. So this technique is, I'm just telling you, it's easy. There's two different ways I'm going to show you how to do it. The first way I'm going to show you, you're not even going to see a lash band. Not even see a lash band. So this is from Kiss, and I've already used it, so excuse the way that this looks, okay? It's a mess, but this is one of their eye kits that they have. They also have a whole bunch of stuff, like little lashes. And by the way, these nails are Kiss lashes too. I'm filming this at Christmas time. I don't know when this is going up, but they sent me these nails as well. And I've been enjoying wearing the glue-on nails. I have to be honest with you. The only negative thing I will say is they're like real nails because they're chipping on me. Look at, even fake nails, I can't even, I don't know. This particular one, because I've worn some of the other ones and they don't chip, but this one does. They sent me a whole bunch from their Falscara line. So if you're not familiar with Falscara is, instead of putting the lashes on top, we're going to apply them underneath. And you're not going to even feel them. You're not even going to know they're on. They're completely comfortable to wear. You can do a whole row of lashes, or what I'm going to show you is just some on the end, because I think on the end is nice, especially when we have mature eyes, because it's going to give you that little bit of a lifted look. I will be completely honest with you. I don't wear lashes very often anymore. I put a little bit of mascara and I didn't put as much as I normally do because my lashes have gotten a lot better. So I don't feel like I need to wear them. I'm comfortable with my own lashes, but sometimes I just want to be a little extra, and so I will put them on. But you can put them on every day if you want to. I'm going to use the one from this kit here. I've already used some, and you can see how the eyes are. Kind of shows you where you're supposed to put them. But here's the thing. I just want to put some on the end there. So I did use the ones on the ends, but I'm going to use the ones that are more in the inner corner on my ends because I want them to look sort of as natural as possible. Okay. So I'm going to take my lashes out. Hope I don't want to drop the other ones that are already out here, but I'm going to take the ones that are more on the inner corner here. So when you hold the tray upside down, then you'll know what side it is. So this is my right eye. This is going to be my left eye. Okay, got that? Right eye, left eye. Be careful when you pull these off because you don't want to stretch them. But I don't know if I want to do that one. That one might be too short. I think I'm going to do this one, those two, which normally would be the inner corner, but I kind of want to use them for my outer corner. Okay, so I have one of my lashes. You have these little tweezers here. These came with the kit, but I'm sure you can buy these individually. Okay. And those are going to be what we're going to use to apply them. See, we're going to hold on to our tweezers. They're going to, see, like that. But first, we have to put on our little adhesive, okay? So one side you have, it's called a bond. So one side's a bond. I know it's upside down, and the other side is the seal. We want to use the bond first, and then seal goes on after because we want to seal it. So I'm going to take the bond side, and it's a dual-ended, okay? And it's going to look like this, a little brush. We don't want to brush this through our lashes. We want to keep this at the root area because we are going to apply it right underneath. So get your mirror out. Let's do this together. So I'm going to go right here, and I put some mascara on my lashes so I didn't have to do it afterwards. But you can apply it afterwards. You just have to make sure you're cleaning these up. I'm going to go right at my base area. See? Just kind of pressing it. I'm not combing it all the way. I just want to get it on that underneath of my lashes. You don't have to let that dry. You just go on and we're going to take our lash and we're going to get it on our little tweezers like this. And now we're going to apply it. We're going to tilt our head back. That's it. That's all you do. I will do another one. I'll do one more lash. I'll do one right next to it so you can see. But see how that lifts my eye up? Look how that lifted my eye. And look, you don't see a band. So I'm going to do the same thing. This is so easy, you guys. Easy. Take this one. I'm going to go, oh, I'm going to go right, I don't know what fell off there. I'm going to go right next to it. That's all you do. That is all you do. It's easy. And then you go ahead and you take the seal, which is this side, and now we're going to press it. So we're not going to comb it through. We're just going to go underneath and we're going to press it on to seal it, okay? And the nice thing about these, like I said, you don't see a band. See, look at, just looks like what, so if I was standing next to you, it just looks like Mama's got some nice lashes, okay? Mama's got some nice lashes. And when you, boy, I messed up on my eyeshadow today. You can see it. I was having issues. I will fix it. But anyways, when you do this, when you apply your mascara, I'm going to put a little bit more on. I don't want to get it on those lashes though, because I don't think I need to, but you can. But when you apply it first, see, it kind of all blends in and it just doesn't look like look at how that looks. See how natural? Now I like to use, as I said, I like to use the lashes that are more for the inner, only because my own lashes aren't that crazy long, so you don't want to have lashes that are up here and then you got that. That's not going to look as natural. So if you're just going to do just on the corner, you want to get some that are a little bit shorter, so I would use the ones that are more supposed to be for the inner corner, in my opinion, because I think it looks more natural. See what it looks like? See? Look how nice that looks. And I didn't even do a full set. I just have this. So let's do the other side, okay? So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use the same. I'm going to use these two. Not the one, I was going to use that, but I thought it would be too short. So I'm going to use those two. And we're going to apply it right on the base. Right on the base. We're not going to bring this through. Just where I want those lashes to go. Kind of twisting this wand because I want to make sure I get it on there good. And then you take these tweezers, and I like that they're rounded so you're not going to scratch your eye. So this is a good idea to get these. You're going to need them because I can't do this with just my fingers. I'm going to take it. I'm going to switch hands so you can see what I'm doing. Take my head back and right there and let go. That's it. I mean, it's easy, you guys. If you don't get those lashes that you got to, the glue and all that, you got to blow on them. This is so much easier. So much easier. And you don't even have to use a full set. So what you can do is get like those other, I'll show you in a second again. You can get individual lashes and just apply them. So same thing. Oh, there you can see my hand. Is it? Oh, it's kind of, what, did you see what I did? Should have been doing it this way. So I just placed it on right there. I'm pointing. Okay, sorry. When you can't see very well, these are tricky videos to film. So now I'm going to take the seal side. And again, I'm going to go press this. Not going to comb it through, we're just pressing it. seal it. And that's it. And when I wear these will stay on me all damn day. I'm going to tell you how to take these off. You can use something like this. They do have a mascara remover. That's what it looks like. But you can also use eye makeup remover. Okay, you can, because I've used it. But you don't want to pull them off. You want to soak a cotton with this and then just put your eye on top of it, kind of close it, and just let it sit there and kind of marinate a little bit. And then you just gently start to slide it and they will slide right off. You don't want to pull them off, okay? But you can get this. They do have this. If you're, somebody said you had to get this. I've used eye makeup remover and it worked, but if you want to get this, you can get this too, okay? Now, if you want to do strip lashes and you don't want to put the glue on a blow and then go like this and it didn't dry enough, so you got to do it again, or you waited too long and it, don't. Go out and buy this, again from Kiss. And this is their lash glue liner. A game changer. They also have this in black if you would rather do that, okay? And how you apply it is this, and you will see me. You open it up first. This is what it looks like. Okay, it looks like that. And you always want to store it upside down. Store it upside down. Don't do it this way. Store it this way, so when you're ready to use it, all the glue's there. It's not down here trapped, okay? So always make sure you do that. Then what you want to do is you're going to apply it right above your lash line. You do not have to wait to let it dry. That's the beauty of this. You take your lashes and you can use those same little tweezers and you just pop your lashes right on. It is that simple to do. That's it. That's all you have to do. Always make sure that you are trimming your lashes, okay? So what I do, I will show you. I didn't show you in the video. I'm going to use this as an example, these lashes. I don't know if I have any big ones. Here, I'll use these as an example. So when you get your lashes are probably going to be too long for you. They usually are. I like to do, and I kind of know how much you have to trim off now, but you can just, what you can do is hold it up to your eye and you can kind of see how much needs to be trimmed off. You don't want to trim the inner corner part. You don't want to do that. You want to trim the outer corner of the lashes, not the inner corner, because otherwise, if you do that, see how the lashes are shorter by the inner corner? So you don't want to cut that. You want to cut the outside because there's going to be more of the longer lashes. We want to get rid of some of that. Just cut off a little bit. I have little scissors. I don't have them in front of me, but use little scissors. Trim it off. Hold it up again. If you got to do more, trim it off. It's better to do less, and you can always do more. And once you get the hang of it, if you're someone that wears them often, you kind of know like about where you usually have to cut them off. I usually don't do too much. I just have to do a little bit. And like I said, you don't have to apply the glue to the band. You don't have to glue it to the band at all. I like this band because it's invisible. This is so much more comfortable to wear than, let me show you. And I appreciate them sending me these, but do you see where the band, see how that band is? That's a thicker band. Those aren't really comfortable for me to wear. Those are like, I can feel it, and it's just not comfortable for me to wear. I like the invisible bands are nice because these are really comfortable to wear. You won't even know that they're on. These are the lashes that I started off wearing when I first started wearing lashes. When I started my channel, this is the brand that I was using, and I really love their lashes. And before they made this, I was using their adhesive. It was the aloe adhesive, and I loved that one. But this one is amazing, and I have never had an issue with irritation. So yeah, everybody's different with that, but I've never had an issue where my eyes burn, or even with this. It doesn't irritate my eyes at all. It doesn't irritate it. And once I use it, they're on all day long. I mean, when I wear these, like now I don't even feel them on my eyes. It is so comfortable to wear. So I hope that I answered a lot of questions for you guys that you might have had about eyelashes. If there's something that I didn't answer, please let me know in the comments below. These, I can't praise these high enough. really. And the false mascara, I shared a video, I don't remember if it was a year ago or so, I talked about this, and it's a fabulous product. It really, really is. So, and you could even take lashes and cut them in half and do the same, like apply them that way too. I mean, there's so many options. Like I said, I like to do this because I just think it's just kind of gives my eye a little bit of lift on the corner, but it doesn't look obnoxious. So anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys all in my next one.